already started to talk about permutations as objects, and we're going to look at how we can do something called composition. You may have heard composition when referencing functions. We might compose two functions together, and that means we perform the first function and then we perform the second function on the output of the first function. Okay, and here is actually very similar. When we compose these two permutations, we look at where one sends a number, then where the next one sends that number, and that gives us a new permutation. The question is, which way round do we read this? Well, you might think left to right, but actually no, we start on this right hand side, sorry for drawing that line underneath, and we go over this way. And the reason for that is similar to function composition. It's this permutation is being applied first and then this one, so we have to unravel our way back out. So to find the permutation that this composition of two permutations represents, we're going to show you how to do that now. But let's first note what this first one's doing. Well, the first one sends 1 to 3, sends 3 to 4, sends 4 to 1, and sends 2 to 5, and 5 goes to 2. And this one here sends 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 3 to 3, 4 to 5, and 5 to 4. So all we want to know is when we compose these together, these two permutations, where does 1 go, where does 2 go, where does 3 go, so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a number. I'm going to start with 1, and we're going to see where this first one sends it. So 1 sends to 3, and then we see where 3 gets sent by this permutation, and 3 gets sent to itself, so 1 gets sent to 3. So now we look at what 3 gets sent to. 3 gets sent to 4, and 4 gets sent to 5, so 3 gets sent to 5. Now we look at where 5 gets sent. 5 gets sent to 2, and 2 gets sent to 1, so that's the end of this cycle. Now I'm going to look for the smallest number we haven't had appear in a cycle yet, but you can pick 4 as well, but I'm going to pick 2, and 2 maps to 5, and 5 maps to 4, so 2 goes to 4. We've got all our numbers included, and that's our answer. We'll just double check that this actually works. So 4 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 2. Okay, brilliant, so that all checks out, and that's our new permutation, which is a composition of these two permutations. In the next video we're going to look more into detail of this composition, how we can have sort of identity elements like we have 1 in multiplication, and we're going to explore this concept a little bit more. I encourage you to do a couple of practice runs of questions similar to this and see if you can find a new permutation. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you do have anything you want covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section below. But for now, that is it, and I hope to see you in the next one.